Submarines have always held a special fascination in the minds of people all over the world because of their unique ability to transport humans to the deepest depths of the oceans. Now, in addition to scientific research, one of the main primary purposes of submarine vessels in the minds of people all over the world is military power. Submarines must have a good sonar in order to detect enemy vessels, and it is also critical for these boats to approach enemy vessels. Today, I'm going to show you the top 8 biggest submarines in the world. Before we start, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 8. Triumphant Class. The Triumphant Class is a nuclear ballistic missile submarine that is part of the French Navy. Each submarine is 138 meters long, 12.5 meters wide, and 10.6 meters deep, with pressurized K-15 nuclear reactor and 2 diesel alternators. The propulsion system consists of a turbo reduction system and SM auxiliary motors, with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The submarine is equipped with 16 M45 intercontinental ballistic missiles with TN-75 tipped missiles. The armament also includes 4 533mm torpedo tubes and F-17 torpedoes. Number 7. Yasin Class. Yasin Class Number 7, nuclear submarine class being built for the Russian Navy. The Yasin class is characterized by a single low magnetic steel hull that decreases magnetic signature. The submarine weighs 13,800 tons underwater, has a length of 139 meters, and has a beam of 15 meters. Cruise missiles are launched from submarines, anti-ship missiles with a great range, and supersonic speed missiles with anti-separation capabilities. The submarine's weapon systems include torpedoes, anti-submarine rockets, and mines. The maximum submerged speed of a Yasin-class submarine is 35 knots, with a surface speed of 20 knots. Number 6. Vanguard Class. With a submerged displacement of 15,900 tons, the Vanguard class is the world's 6th largest submarine. The Royal Navy of the United Kingdom has a nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine in service. The Vanguard-class submarines are 149.9 meters long, 12.8 meters wide, and 12 meters deep. There are 2 turbo generators and 2 diesel alternators on board, as well as 1 Rolls-Royce pressurized water reactor, 2 GEC 20.5 megawatt turbines, 2 auxiliary retractable propulsion motors, and 1 shaft pump jet propulsor. Number 5. Oscar II Class. In service with the Russian Navy are 4 Oscar II submarines. The double hull of nuclear-powered submarines of the 3rd generation is divided into 10 primary compartments. The submarine is 155 meters long and 18 meters broad, with 24 anti-ship cruise missiles and 6 torpedo tubes, while the 949 AM submarines can carry caliber supersonic cruise missiles. The Oscar II class is powered by 2 pressurized water-cooled reactors and 2 steam turbines. The propulsion system enables a maximum submerged speed of 32 knots and a surface speed of 15 knots. Number 4. Delta Class. 5 Deltas III and 6 Deltas IV submarines are currently in service. 2 pressurized water-cooled reactors and 2 steam turbines drive 2 5-bladed fixed-pitch shrouded propellers that are part of the power plant, which is 166 meters long, 12.3 meters wide, and 8.8 meters deep. The submarine's submerged speed is 24 knots, and its weaponry consists 16 R-29 SLBM for 533 millimeters and 2 400mm torpedo tubes for millimeter and 2 400mm torpedo tubes for millimeter and 2 400mm torpedo tubes. Number 3. Ohio Class. Ohio Class Number 3. The Ohio-class submarine is the world's 3rd largest submarine ever built. The U.S. Navy possesses 18 nuclear-powered Ohio-class submarines, each with a submerged displacement of 18,750 tons and a length of 170 meters, a beam of 13 meters, and a draught of 10.8 meters. The gliding speed on the surface is 12 knots, and the gliding speed underwater is 20 knots. 1 SAG pressurized 2 turbines with gearboxes. The submarine class includes 1 shaft with a 7-bladed screw and 1 auxiliary kilowatt diesel motor. The submarine carries a total of 24 Trident missiles. Number 2. Borai Class. The Bahrain class is the world's 2nd largest submarine. It is a nuclear-powered missile-carrying submarine that serves Russia's strategic naval forces. It is 170 meters in length, has a beam of 13.5 meters and a draught of 10 meters. An OK-650 nuclear reactor, a steam turbine, and a shaft and propeller makes up its power plant. Submerged endurance is determined by the availability of food supplies. The submarine's arsenal includes a Bulava submarine-launched ballistic missile, 6 MIRV warheads, 6 533mm torpedo tubes, and 6 Vyoga cruise missiles. Number 1. Typhoon Class. The Typhoon Class is ranked first. The Typhoon-class submarines are the world's largest submarine class, with a submerged displacement of more than 80,000 tons. They are 175 meters long, 23 meters wide, and 12 meters deep. It is powered by 2 nuclear water reactors, 2 50,000 horsepower steam turbines, and 4 3,000 kilowatt turbo generators. It can reach speeds of 22.2 knots at the top and 27 knots at the bottom. Because of its many pressure openings, the Typhoon is broader than any other submarine. Crew members can stay on board for up to 120 days in comfort. The submarine is equipped with 20 intercontinental ballistic missiles, each with a nuclear warhead of 100 kilotons, and 6 533mm torpedo tubes and Type 53 torpedoes. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.